Hello guys, it's Esther and I'll show you how to draw Cinderella. We'll do the almond eyes. Add a circle inside. Then another circle. Draw the eyebrows and then the hair. It's like a cloud. And then hair on the side. Some earrings. And the nose is just like a little L with little bumps on the bottom. Then the dress has like a veil, sort of. Okay, now let's go over with marker. Add the circle, color in the circle. Press a little bit more on the middle of the eyebrow and then let go to make it look thick and then thin. Add some eyebrows, the nose and the mouth. The hair. I did a little smudge, but it's okay. Once you color, you won't see it that much. Then the hair, the bun, the earrings, the shoulders, and then that part of the dress that is puffy. And then the bottom of the dress, add some lines. And go ahead and erase every pencil mark that you have. Alright, now it's time to color, and I'm gonna try to make her look like Cinderella as much as possible. So her eyes and her headband, her earrings, her dress is blue, and then her hair is yellow. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.